So what are you making?
Hamburgers.
What?
Hamburgers.
Hamburgers. Hamburgers made with vanilla wafers? Oh my gosh. The health department will shut me down if they see you eating that and then making something for other people to eat. Yeah, no licking the spatula, dude. Are you making that for Sissy's open house?
Yes.
Oh, she's going to love that. I know she likes sprinkles and applesauce and vanilla wafers. I have no idea where the chef went. Maybe she's going to get another pan or something else that the health department won't approve of, but I don't know. Oh my gosh, a serving tray. That is genius, Ava. Absolutely genius. Are you going to clean up when you get done?
Yep.
Thank you, boo. Are you going to save some of that for Gabby's open house? Oh, she is going to be thrilled.
Wow, that's too much.
Oh, that's too much. You got to know when to stop, people. You got to know when to stop with the sprinkles.